Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's do this problem right here. This question is asking to find the intervals of convergence for these functions. Let's see how we can find it. So first of all, we have to set up this in terms of power series format. So let's try the general pattern first and then go for these problems, right? So whenever we have something like this, we use this one. So 1 over 1 minus x, this is the pattern, right? So when we have this pattern, this is, if you want to convert this one into power series pattern, we have to write it like whatever the value we are subtracting from 1, that's going to be powered by n. So let's say this is going from 0 to infinity, right? So this is how we are going to derive. And then this value, the 1 powered, is going to be less than 1. So x absolute is going to be less than 1. So this is the one we are going to use to find the intervals of convergence in this kind of functions, right? So let's go ahead and find for this one. So we have to get this pattern first, 1 over 1 minus x. Here if you notice we have plus x, so we have to write this one in terms of minus x. We have to, because the value we are subtracting from 1 is going to be the value we have to put it here. So let's write it in that pattern. So this is going to be 1 over 1 minus x, right? Then what we have to do, we write it in power series format. That's going to be sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity, and then this minus x is subtracting from 1, so this is going to be minus x power n, right? And then we take absolute value of this one like we did right here, and this is going to be minus x absolute value is equal is less than 1. Then x is minus x absolute value is going to be x absolute, same thing, because when we take the absolute value of minus x, minus will cancel and we only have x. So this is going to be less than 1, and from this one we can say the intervals of convergence is going to be negative 1 to 1, right? So this is going to be the intervals of convergence. And let's see how we can do for this question right here. So here this is already minus, so we don't have to change anything, so we can directly write this one right here. This is going to be sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity, and whatever the value we are subtracting is going to be powered by n. So this is x cubed is subtracting, so this is going to be x cubed power n, and then we can combine this together and write this one like sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity, and this is going to be x power 3n, right? X power 3n, and then we take the absolute value of whatever we are getting except n. So this is going to be x cube in the absolute value, and that's less than 1, right? But we want this one in terms of x, not x square or x cube. If we have power, we have to take this one out. So this is going to be just x absolute value cube less than 1, right? And if you cube root this 1, that's going to be still 1. Therefore the intervals of convergence is going to be x absolute value 1, right? So this is going to be again negative 1 to 1. And that's how we find the intervals of convergence for these kind of functions. I hope you guys find this video helpful. See you next time.